In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add files or documents to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website where you want to add a file or document. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Make sure you're on the Build tab. In the left panel, look for the file element. If you don't see it, click Show All Elements to view the complete list of available elements. Drag the file element onto your page where you want the document to appear. Click the element, then select Upload File and choose the file you want to upload from your computer. Once the file has been uploaded, Weebly will create a download link for your visitors. You can edit the link text if you'd like to make it more descriptive. Preview your website to make sure the file link works correctly. When you're happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to add files or documents to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.